here. So I'm back with another video because it's the start of a new month, and I know April has been very long for many because it's the month that we really stayed at home, and I know that there are many activities that you could try now that we are staying at home, but it's really far from our usual activities that we have before the quarantine season. So I have here with me my monthly favorites. They're all in front of me, and I think I will start with the products that we always have in our monthly favorites. It's been months now that I've been sharing my favorites, and there are always skincare products in my favorites because since January or February or even before that, I've been breaking out and I really didn't know the cause. And recently we had a consultation from our doctor, and it turned out that when I was hospitalized last January, my weak immune system triggers these breakouts and the hair fall. So I have the products here with me that I've been using for those problems lately. So let's start. Let's start with this one. I have the Acne Pimple Master Patch of CosRX, and I've been using this way back before CosRX had its fame here in the Philippines, but it's just these days that I've been using it religiously because I have the time to use it religiously. And I really love how this Acne Master Patch has been helping me a lot with not touching my face, because I tend to touch my pimples when I get pimples and I tend to pop it, and you know that it gets worse when you do that, but it has been a habit for me. So if I put this on the pimple, I kind of forget that I have a pimple. So it really helped me a lot with my bad habit, and it really helped a lot with my pimples. So let's move to the next one. The next one is another CosRX product. So this one is the Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. So I've been using this also way before. It's just that I don't have this here in Pampanga. It's in my condo in Manila. So it really was a hassle that my face was really used to this one, but I didn't have it here in Pampanga. Thank God this online seller here in Pampanga is still having its operations and having its products delivered to the houses here in Pampanga. So this is K-Beauty PH. This is not a sponsored post. It's just that I'm really thankful for this seller, because where would you get skincare at this time, right? So thankfully they are still delivering. Look, I got many CosRX products over here. Thank you so much, K-Beauty PH. They really helped me a lot in this fight for my breakouts. So there. The next one is this one. I told you a while ago that I was getting so much hair fall. So the third one on our list is my hair fall essentials. So this one is Active Hair Growth Essence by EU Lab Expert. So this is an essence that I put in my head for the fallen hair to grow back. So I really use this a lot because I might get bald if I don't. So there, I use it with this one. This one is prescribed by my derma. It's minoxidil. I put it in my scalp to prevent hair fall, more hair fall. So there. It's really been so stressful to see hair everywhere I go. I hope this gets better soon. So the next one is also, I think, for skincare, because lately I've always been hanging around and I've always been lying on my back, and I'm getting more pimples at my back. I'm getting breakouts not only in my face, also at my back. So this has been really helping me. You probably wouldn't know what's inside, but I'm gonna tell you. So this is the white vinegar and this is apple cider. I exchange these two every other day because it really helps. It might really smell a lot, but it really helps. It really helps when you have pimples at your back. You just put it in the cotton and rub it at your back. Don't put it directly, and be sure to dry it up before lying at your bed or anywhere because it would really smell, guys. So tsaga lang. The fifth thing in our list is this one. It's the Roto Lycee eye drops, because I've been spending so many times in my phone or in my laptop and my eyes get really tired at the end of the day. So I've been using this eye drops, Lycee eye drops. There's also another eye drop here that has this cooling effect, but I like this better because the cooling effect is not my type, so I just don't use it. And the next one on our list is this one. I have an old notebook that I put stickers on because I put my thoughts here. I kind of use it as my journal now because journal really helps you at this time because there are many worries, frustrations, or thoughts that get into you throughout the day when you're not doing anything. So you just write it here and write what happened in the day and write your thoughts, process everything. At this time, it's really a must to take care of your health, not only physical health but also mental health. So it really helps a lot to put a pen on the paper and write your thoughts. The seventh thing in my list is a power bank because here in our house the outlets are really limited, so everyone's home and charging their gadgets, so I need my power bank. The eighth thing in our list is bread because I've been making a lot of bread recipes lately. If you haven't watched my video, I'll be posting the link in the description box so you could click on it and enjoy the bread recipes that I've been doing lately. So I really enjoyed everything and I've been sharing it to my pamangkin and my family, so I hope you also appreciate it and do it at home. Now we're down to the ninth thing in our list. The ninth thing in our list is the album of GOT7. I've been listening to it since the time it was out, so I really want them to win many awards of different shows, so buhay fan. And the 10th thing in our list is also in my phone. This is the VU app. So I have this app for a very long time now, but it's just now that I really subscribe to the app because I have time. I have time to watch and I really didn't like the ads, so there. VU is offering its premium account as 23 pesos for the first 3 months, I think, and the next 3 months is 100 something. It's just cheap and really worth it because you get everything real time. The dramas that are still airing in Korea, you could really watch them agad, so it's really worth it, guys. And the loading time of the videos is not really slow, so it's really worth it to subscribe in the premium packages. Lalo na kung K-drama addict kayo like me. So my vlogging camera just died and I think this camera is also gonna die, so I really need to end this video. But before ending this video, I just want to share why here I didn't put anything in my face and I'm just in my PJs because this is how I've been the past few days and I really just want to share to you how I really am. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!